At UpFix, we know you can't get where you're going safely if your vehicle's anti-lock braking system or ABS isn't functioning. UpFix can repair common ABS issues, including sudden power loss, faulty wheel sensor code, or the ABS pump continually running, and many others. Why is it so critical to fix these problems immediately? The ABS system keeps your car's wheel from locking during intense braking. If your ABS system malfunctions, it could cause your vehicle to skid or hydroplane during heavy braking. And a failing module will drain your battery. How does UpFix save you money? We restore your original parts to a properly functioning unit, so you can save time and money instead of getting a new part from an overpriced dealership. All of our services are 100% guaranteed, meaning if you aren't satisfied, you get your money back. And since UpFix uses your original part in the repair, there's no need to code a new part to your vehicle VIN. Yet another way UpFix makes getting back on the road easy. Here's how it works. Step 1, visit upfix.com. Search the make and the model of your vehicle. Step 2, remove the ABS fuse to prevent the ABS motor from burning out, either on your own or visit a local body shop for assistance. Step 3, securely pack this part so it cannot be damaged in transit. Step 4, on upfix.com, add the part to your cart and check out. Print the order confirmation and include it in your shipment. Step 5, the package arrives at the UpFix facilities. This process is quick and simple. We will send you a text message making sure that you are updated every step of the way. Our expert team will repair or replace this part and ship it back to you. When you or your local body shop reinstalls this part, your ABS will be restored to its factory settings, meaning you can get back on the road safely. So join our nearly 200,000 satisfied customers and check out upfix.com.